In video conferencing and video surveillance projects, high-bandwidth USB data transmission is very important. The evolution of USB interface mainly goes through three stages. USB 2.0 was released in 2001, with a theoretical transfer rate of 480 megabits per second. USB 3.0 was released in 2009, with a theoretical transfer rate of 5.0 gigabits per second. USB 3.1 was released in 2014, with a theoretical transfer rate of 1 gigabit per second. Common USB data cables are often not long enough and are not suitable for engineering projects. The bandwidth is too low, and the transmitted image is not clear and smooth enough. The signal is often delayed, which affects the real-time conference communication. Therefore, a high-quality USB data cable is essential. In order to solve the above problems, Bridgee has developed a 50 feet Prof U10AMF USB 3.1 optical fiber cable with a bandwidth of up to 10 gigabits per second. Through the information on the package, you can see that this cable conforms to the USB 3.1 protocol. It supports up to 10 gigabits per second bandwidth and can be plug and play. There is a use manual at the lower left corner. The device end connector is connected to cameras, mobile hard disks, VR helmets and other devices, and the host end is connected to the host and monitor. Let's unpack the package and see what's going. The cable plug is made of silver zinc alloy shell, which is sturdy and wear resistant, concise and atmospheric, and can protect the internal components from damage. The interior of the shell adopts German photoelectric engine, which has a long life and can transmit 10 gigabits per second signals efficiently and stably, bringing high definition and smooth images to video conferences and video surveillance. Based on the USB 3.1 protocol, it is backward compatible with USB 3.0/2.0. Both plugs have groove design, which are convenient for plugging. Reinforced tail sleeve design at the end to prevent the cable from loosening and make the connection more stable. The insider core adopts OM310 gigabit multimode fiber, which can transmit signals efficiently without delay, and can realize real-time display and interaction of conference video without jamming. The cable has device and host directional marks. The device end is connected to the device end, such as camera, mobile hard disk, and VR helmet, and the host end is connected to the host and the display. It is very convenient to use. The cable is soft, which is convenient for engineering wiring, and it has up to 50-foot length, which is suitable for high-definition video conference, video surveillance, and other large scene wiring. This cable can be used to connect a camera and a computer for high-definition video conference. Next, let's connect the notebook and the mobile hard disk to measure the transmission speed. It can be seen that the reading and writing speed is very fast, reaching 500 per second, which greatly saves the data transmission time and facilitates efficient work. If you want to know more about this product, go to bridgee.cc.